Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Streamlabs and ensuring your channel is linked. This is essential because Cloudbot needs channel access. Once logged in, open the Cloudbot tab and toggle it on. Make sure Cloudbot is given moderator or appropriate chat permissions so it can post and manage commands. Next, enable core modules like commands and timers. These let you automate responses. Finally, confirm your language and time zone so timestamps and cooldowns behave predictably for viewers. Now you configure commands and timers to make Cloudbot useful. You add a custom command, include dynamic tags such as %user so replies feel personal, and set cooldowns to prevent spam. Once done, assign user-level restrictions, for example, mod only for sensitive controls or subscriber only for perks. This maintains order. Also set timers for automated messages, spacing them to avoid repetition. Test each command in a private chat to verify responses and adjust messaging tone for your channel. Finish by enabling advanced modules like loyalty, polls, and quotes to boost engagement. These require additional setup steps inside each module, so follow prompts. Once configured, test everything with an alt account to simulate viewer interaction, verify point accrual, poll creation, and that command's trigger. If something fails, check Cloudbot is still a moderator, refresh the OAuth token, and confirm individual module toggles. One troubleshooting tip: reauthorize Streamlabs in account settings if permissions look correct but features remain blocked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.